that vacation hair. Hey. Hey y'all, what's up? This your girl Kia Shalante. What it is, what it ain't, what it's gonna be. Back with another motherfucking video. If you're new to my channel, what's up? What's good, baby? Yeah. And if you are a subscriber, thank y'all so much for the love and support. You know your girl definitely appreciate it. In today's video, I am going to be revamping my old 40-inch jet black wig. I just had to pull her out because it's just something, very much something about jet black hair, okay? I am showing y'all how I do my crimps. Before crimping, make sure the hair is straight. I have done crimps on already wavy hair, and I don't know, the crimps be coming out bushy and frizzy, and I do not like that. However, when the hair is straight in first, it works better for me. Also, spraying some frizz spray helps the crimps last longer.
Young got no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make this spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young got no one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pour some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird, shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane we can't merge. So with no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P Litty. QP skin. I love my bitches, this pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trapping, I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing.
Okay, y'all, so I am going to make my own tint spray. I am first making the black tint spray to define my part, and I actually overplucked my wig, which this black tint spray will camouflage that. I am only using 2 products. As y'all see, I am taking some black hair dye and mixing it with some alcohol in a spray bottle. Mixing it up real good, and that's it. Real simple. Y'all see the pigment? Yeah. Now, I am going to make my own wig tint that match my skin complexion. Mixing some alcohol with my skin complexion foundation. I use 2 different foundations on my skin, and I'm doing the same thing when it comes to creating my lace tint. Super easy. Y'all see it. Period.
Got a white boy on my roster. He be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday like, what you doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay. Hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by day 50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, cash out for sale. Matter of fact, scratch that. I'ma see you a stat just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes in different area codes. Everywhere I go, I call and they drop the load. Cause I got hoes in different area codes. Some of them bros, and I big pimpin' cause they know. Got a nigga, yeah, he from the trap. He low-key, yeah, he stay off the map. Anytime I need some money, he say pull up cause it gotta be cash. Pushed up, he design it down. He like, babe, you ain't never around. Well, nigga, I gotta put up in the dirt cause why you ain't never in town? I'm out of the way with Pablo. This nigga swear that he yo Chapo. He know not to play in my face, cause I swear it's hard for him to keep my calm, ho. He be tweaking cause he in my vato. In his pockets like I hit the lotto. I'ma get to this money, it's fuck these niggas. That's forever the motto. I got hoes in different area codes. Everywhere I go, I call and they drop the load. Bad bitch every day like Christmas. Attitude, don't fuck you, pay me. It take more than a Bentley to pay. Got me fucked up. I don't trust. If he ain't got more than me, can't fuck. Got me fucked up. I don't trust. If he ain't got more than me, can't fuck. I love when they chase me. Good luck if you trying to replace me. 220 on the dash like Stacy, and yeah, that nigga fine, but he moved too chain. Got me fucked up. don't got more than me, I can't fuck him. If he don't got what I need, I duck. Pussy gon' pop like a pea, I bust. Bad bitch gon' shop, no gimmicks. Brand new drop top, not renting. And every time a bitch start, I finish. If it ain't money in the text, don't send it. First off, bitch, mind your business. Bad bitch, every day like Christmas. Attitude, don't fuck you, pay me. It take more than a pen to the page. I need fucked up. I don't trust. If he ain't got more than me, can't fuck. I need fucked up. I don't trust. If he ain't got more than me, can't fuck. Nigga, please got me fucked up. Lying on that little dick, you ain't touch nothing. Daddy caught me the lamb, did his big one. How y'all fucking on the reach, nigga, ain't get some. Pussy tight, fat, wet, no smell. I be buying buckets like the bitches on sale. He be in the field, but he ain't in the NFL. Bitch, I bet my nigga way before the BBL. Bitch, twice my age, but I ain't half his pay. If he ain't getting more than me, then he ain't getting no play. Only business that I mind is the one that pay. My kids gon' have they way, bitch. First fuck, bitch, mind your business. Bad bitch, every day like Christmas. Attitude, don't fuck you, pay me. It take more than a pen to the page. I need fucked up. I don't trust. If he ain't got more than me, can't fuck. I need fucked up. I don't trust. If he ain't got more than me, can't fuck.
Hope you can find someone to love you better than I do. Taking our memories on love and dreaming about nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. It's my love for my grandmother, make me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, it's breaking my heart. I just don't want to say almost like you didn't have to make you bad.
About the crinkle or the wavy look, you know, you have a little makeup on, you know, a little eyebrow, little lip gloss, little lashes, something, you know what I mean? This is that vacation hair. But yeah, y'all. Ooh, it's just the blush, the highlight, the contour. Like, y'all see these cheekbones? Face card, don't motherfucking decline. Let me tell y'all something about a hating ass hoe, okay? It's always these hating ass hoes that be like, you only cute with makeup. Girl, you still ugly with makeup. So what's your excuse, boo? Boo? Oh, okay. 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 Thank you. The fuck? Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And your girl will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Bad girl down da da da, 100 rounds on a grat da da. Real one like a shot da da.